and do it. I had so much to do. I did some cleaning up my house today, and I watch my step because I got on some steps. But yeah, I've been just doing like house cleaning today, and you know, put some things away, some clothes and things that I'm not using it. You know what I'm gonna do, instead of explaining what my daily routine is, which is very busy because I do so much of everything every day, and I barely have any time for me because I'm always doing something. I'm always going. So I've been doing a lot of that. I've been trying to find a nice little place to get my restaurant going, and I'm not having so far it's been really hard because I'm trying not to drive an hour or two from home to where it is. So I'm in the process of going shopping for that, and that is a lot of work, and but I'm going to get to it, and God is going to get me. I believe that God is going to get me into the right location that I need to be. But so far I've looked at a couple of places and I'm not feeling it. I'm not getting that this is where you need to be type of feeling. So that's how I always am. I'm always thinking, and I'm always observing and all that stuff. Yeah, but anyway. Hold up the keys to my bima. But yeah, it's my little booski. She have her own channel up here as well. It's Dreadhead Music. You might want to go ahead and click on her there. You want to tell us, just telling the people that you have your own channel up here.
Yes, Dreadhead Music, DREDHEADMUSIQ.
Yep.
Dreadhead Music.
Dreadhead Music. So I'm going to put a link down below, guys. So go ahead and check out her music. Now, listen, guys, she write her own lyrics.
Coming soon too. I know I've been sleeping, but I work hard. So
yeah, she do her thing in the ATL. She writes her own music. She sings her song. The girl have crazy talent, like I told you in my prior video. She has more talent than she thinks she really does. But trust me, the girl shot, right? We going out to grab something to eat.
I need somewhere to have some good. They don't have no Bob Marley drinks. I want to try that drink
that's down in the Cap County, man.
This set of vibes, they ain't got nowhere else.
I don't know what I know about Bob Marley. We want to check out the spot. I don't know. Marley in Atlanta.
They're not open now.
The vibe opening up, but I don't know. That's all the way in DeKalb County, girl. So I don't know where we're gonna grab some Bob Marley. She want Bob Marley, and the only place what if a kid was running out? Okay. Well, people know us when me just say, but anyway, we're gonna try to grab a bite to eat, and so after that, I guess, I don't know, try to locate this Bob Marley drink. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm gonna hang with the middle booski. So we'll catch you back when we get there.
Hey, Juniana. So what are we doing?
So we are about to go into the Red Lobster.
Okay.
Red Lobster, see the what is sir? That's how I'm gonna eat out tonight.
Do you know what you're gonna be having to eat?
Oh, probably some shrimp.
Some shrimp.
Baked potato.
Something healthy.
Maybe some fish, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, so should be interesting.
Yes. Hopefully we get a good waitress that works fast.
I know, right?
Snap, snap.
Hopefully we don't get a Nicki Minaj. With some attitude problem.
I'm saying.
You know? Definitely don't need no damn Nicki Minaj up in this city.
So how the weather feeling?
What a nice one. My slippers. Got my slippers on.
Yeah, that's comfortable. But I don't think we could just walk in here with a camera.
They're not gonna know. So yeah. So we are going in. I think it's probably a wait. So I'm sitting here waiting on my meal. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. Probably gonna get, let's see, probably get that right there. That should be good. Come on. Man, that looks good. Looking. That looks yummy. Oh, what that name?
I think that's the margarita.
That looks good. And y'all could tell I'm already chowing down on my salad. And this is my drink. Let me get my drink on. That's my drink. I never know what that name. I just look on the picture and pick it. But yeah, that's my drink. No alcohol though.
And they can't even get the food out on time.
I know, right? Customer service is kind of slow, so you don't know she not getting a tip. Is here at the park, Clinton County Industrial Park. If you're in Georgia and you're in Clinton County and you want somewhere to chill, this place is a beautiful, right? It's nice, you know, and they're doing a lot of work to it. It's gonna be real nice when they get done with this thing. The water is clean and nice. What they're planning on doing, they're going to put a little bridge. Over there, they're going to put a little bridge. I'm zooming in. They're going to go right across there. Yeah. So you can get from one side of the park to the other side of the park without driving around. So it's going to be a little mini bridge right there. It's going to take you right over the lake. It's going to be nice. You know, you could go fishing, all that stuff. If I was not naked and afraid, I could probably find food in this water because
good luck.
I see a lot of oysters in this water. I have a lot of oysters. I can tell that there's fishes in here. If people come out here and go fishing, there's a fisherman right there. So he is going fishing. So yeah, it's nice. I love it.
So Mama, tell them how you'd fish if you were naked and afraid.
Well, since I don't have a fishing rod, or fishing nothing,
you're gonna have to do it old-fashioned way.
I guess I have to do it the old-fashioned way, which is going into the water. Well, no. First, I have to get something to make my fishing, catching thing. So that I'm going to have to get leaves or whatever. Make a little basket of some sort, a little net / basket. Go into the water with my partner. If I'm a chicken head, we go into the water where it's safe. Hopefully there's no gator or anything in there.
Not unless they take you to Florida.
We'll go into the water and we'll put it at a spot where there's fishes in there. well, hopefully there's fishes that comes by there, and then you put it there. You leave it there for a couple of hours or maybe 24 hours, and then you go back and see if you're lucky. Maybe you get some oysters, maybe you get some fish, maybe you get a crab, maybe you get some shrimp, whatever. But when you're naked in the fridge, you don't choose what you eat what you see. So yeah.
Wait,
I think I'll probably survive.
Yeah, all the 21 days. Yeah, 3 weeks.
And for y'all that don't know, Naked and Afraid is my favorite show. Apart from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta and Black Ink Crew, I like to watch VH1. Naked and Afraid. I love Naked and Afraid. And what else I do? Naked and Afraid, and my favorite drink is Waffle House orange juice. So that's what I do, and that's what I like. So yeah, it's gonna be blazing out here. And out here is perfect for when you have like a get together, like a family reunion or something like that. They have nice picnic area set up. I'm going to show you guys that once I get up there. I'll show you the picnic area, but the whole complete park. They have a man-made beach on the other side with games and rides, water rides and stuff. I don't think the park is open yet. I think they're going to be open in another 2 weeks or so, but they have a man-made park over there where you have the beach over there and rides and things like that. It's nice. I tell you guys, there's a lot to do in Atlanta. There really is a lot to do. You know, I tell you in a prior vlog, if you could deal with the traffic, now the traffic, you just have to know what time you're getting on the highway. As long as you study the highway traffic and you get to learn those inner streets, those side streets, you'll be fine. It's awesome. I love Georgia. I love me, Georgia. I'm always happy until you piss me off. You know, and you don't want to piss me off, because when I get pissed off, I see black. Everything becomes dark. I think every Jamaican when you get pissed off, we don't twang anymore. We just talk patois, raw patois. We don't matter about no spoken business. You don't want to piss, but I think Jamaicans are nice people. You just don't want to get on them wrong side, and then them tongues start come out of them head. You know what I say? Long out them tongue and all of them. You don't even get that Jamaican pissed off. Man them the pan. My girl, hey, my girl. You know, and the woman them pan. Hey, that take y'all. So we coming up here.
Oh boy.
So see, they have picnic area where you could just come and chill, sit down and chill, and throw something on the grill. Yeah, I love it over here. Love it over here. Let's be chilling. Last time we came out here, and y'all try to
I'm just trying to keep the conversation rolling.
Mess around with the duck. The duck wasn't trying to have it.
Whoa.
The duck started hiss. Like a damn snake. So you back up. But the duck had eggs that she was sitting on, and then the daddy duck was just chilling close by, watching what was going on. So you know, so she'd ever come anywhere close to that duck, any closer to that duck.
You wanted the eggs.
I didn't want the egg. I was just curious. Not because I said it, that don't mean need to go over there and take away the woman's egg. Can't do me nothing. Hi guys, I made it home safely. I just want to shut this down and say good night. I hope to see you in my next video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next vlog. Bye. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.